What's up, everybody? This is Chaos from MiaSono. Today's video is going to be a little something different. I decided that I wanted to also chronicle my journey as a content creator. And since I just started out, this would be a perfect time to put out how I got started and everything. To give you a little bit of background about me, I'm a pretty famous DJ and music producer. I have had one Billboard top 10 hit here in America. Was also top 10 in the UK and #1 in Japan for a song I did with CeCe Peniston called Believe back in 2015. I've been producing for about 13 to 15 years now, and I decided that what I'd like to do as I'm getting older and not doing as many DJ bookings since COVID and everything, is I wanted to give back to the music community. And I figured what better way to do that than to start a YouTube channel giving out free classes on music production. And of course, music production tips and tricks. When I decided to become a content creator, I started looking up a bunch of different things online. I found Nick Nimmin. He is an amazing guy here on YouTube. He teaches people how to become a YouTube content creator. So I started checking out a bunch of his videos, and I will put a link to his stuff down below. TubeBuddy is one of the best tools for content creators out there. Go check it out at tubebuddy.com. That link will also be down below. I've also been learning a lot from Hyperbits, Creator Wizard, Andrew Wong. Andrew, I love you, brother. Took a couple of his music production classes years back. Great guy. Learning a lot from Sonic Academy, another great place to learn about music production. And you know that being a content creator is not as easy as it seems. It's not as simple as if you film it, they'll watch it. You know, nowadays you've got to be an actor, you've got to be a video editor, you've got to be a script writer, you've got to be a marketing person, you've got to be a social media manager. All this to just hopefully gain a little traction and get people to watch your videos. So again, if you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. I want to thank everybody for watching. Good luck in your content creation, and may the world bless you.